In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add automatic serial numbers in Notion. If you've ever wanted clean, reliable numbering for tasks, projects, or inventory without touching formulas, this is the quickest way to do it. By the end, you'll have a neat, auto-incrementing 499 column that updates itself for every existing row and anything new you add. Start by opening the database where you want serial numbers. This can be a table or any database view. Look along the top of your columns for the plus sign that lets you add a new property. Click that plus sign to create a fresh property just for your serial numbers. Giving it a clear name upfront helps, but don't worry. You can adjust details in a moment. When the property type menu appears, search for 499. You'll see a special property called 499. Select that. This isn't a formula or a manual field. It's a built-in Notion property designed specifically to generate unique, increasing numbers for your database items. As soon as you add it, Notion applies it to your database automatically. Now the magic part happens behind the scenes. Notion will immediately assign a unique, increasing 499 to all your existing rows. And it will keep numbering anything you add in the future. Here is nothing you need to maintain. Each entry gets its own number, and as you create new rows, the next number appears automatically. It's simple, consistent, and great for tracking, referencing, and exporting your data without the risk of duplicates or manual errors. To make those IDs even more readable, you can add a custom prefix. Click the name of your new 499 property. Then choose Edit Property. Here, look for the option to set a prefix and type in something short and meaningful, like task, bug, or env. Keep it concise so the final 499 doesn't get too long. Once saved, your IDs will display with that prefix right in front of the number, which makes scanning your database faster and helps when you share or export data. Since each item will carry a recognizable label, that's all you need to create automatic serial numbers in Notion. Add a new property. Choose the 499 type. Let Notion number everything for you and customize the prefix to match your workflow. It's a small change that brings a lot of clarity to your database. Thanks for watching.